Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Think Tank. So as we have done 18th lab, right, and the last lab we have used Nmap on Windows. So this time we are going to use Nmap on Kali Linux. As you can see, we're using Kali Linux, right? So in this lab we are going to explore the scanning techniques like scan, xscan, xms scan. You're going to use in command. In the console we are going to use, because as a starting, as I've told you in the last lab also, Nmap first they have given the portal on Linux only, then they have started Nmap, you can see, right? So first thing, we are going to start Nmap, and it's come with the various inbuilt script that can be employed during the scan process in the attempt to find the open ports and the services running on the particular host. So we can check. We have multiple scanning techniques. As I've told you, is the best scanner, right? So in this lab we are going to explain TCP connect scan, XMS, scan, UDP, ideal and all, right? So first, to launch Nmap, you can click on application, Kali Linux, information gathering, network scanning, and you can see here Nmap. The best thing is, in case you just want to use directly, so you can click on console and directly Nmap. This command you can use, that will also work. So first thing we are going to start is, we are going to perform the TCP scan, right, in the aggressive mode with the normal timing like T3 we can say, and display the alert what we are going to get. So we are going to use the command and map space -st. As I've told you, so this is all about, we're going to start the TCP scan, then space -t3. This is for normal timing we've given, then space -a. This is for aggressive mode we are going to use. So you can see here how we are just processing the command, right? Then we can give the target IP, as we are giving here 192.168.1.2, right? Pressing enter. See here, starting Nmap. So as you can see here, the Nmap version we are using here 6.40. As you got the detail, you can see here. Here we go. Simply showing us as we use this command, starting Nmap scan forward into Kara PC home, the host name having IP this, the latency, host is up, in case showing host is down, so we are not able to scan, system is not in upstate, so it's not 996 filter port we have, the ports 135 TCP, state is open, services going on this, version is Microsoft Windows RPC, then 139 is going for night BIOS, and 445 also, 3389 TCP open, this is for the server, right? You can see here the OS scan result may be unreliable because we couldn't find at least one pin or one closed port. Device type is general purpose, running Microsoft Windows 7 or XP, right? You can see here. Right, this is the running Microsoft Windows, right? Then detail of Microsoft 7 Enterprises XP Service Respect 3. This is all about the service info, OS, Windows, Microsoft, then host script. Here we have NetBIOS having MAC address this is the HP system, right? You can see here. and security mode. Account that was used for SMB script is for guest. User level authentication, SMB security, challenge response password supported, and simply then we are here for trace route, as you can see here, right? So now we are going to use a different command, as we have done the TCP scan sorry. So now we are going to use the command for XMS scanning, and for this we are going to type nmap, then simply space hyphen s for scan, x for type of scanning, XMS, then we'll give hyphen t4 space the IP address. T4 is to perform the XMS scan in the aggressive timing. T4, we are not using the normal timing. Normal timing is for T3. T4 is for aggressive timing. Then we are giving the IP here, .1.2, right? Pressing enter. Sorry. So again it's starting. You can see here. Here we go. So starting a scan for Dukara PC home. If the host is up, all 1000 scan ports on Dukara PC are open filter. You can see here, as we have done the XMS scanning, it's showing the port detail open filter. It simply means that the firewall is configured on that particular machine, right? Because the firewall is on. In case the firewall is off on that particular system, or we don't have any packet filter or firewall on the particular system, it will not show the state of open filter, right? Now we are going to use now we can execute the same command in case we have this time we are going to use the scan and map space. We have done TCP scan, then XMS, then this time we are going to use scan, then S for scan, A for the type of scanning, that is scan hyphen V space hyphen T4 for aggressive timing, and then the IP address, .168.1.2, enter. Should not found. Let's check it again. Without version. Oh, sorry. Right. So it's NAMP. We have mistaken. Here we go. Right. So starting. Here we go. We can see here the initiating the ping scan, as we are talking about the X scan. So it's ping scan, scanning for 92 4 ports, completing ping scan at this is right. Initiating the parallel DNS resolution, one host at this. Then parallel DNS resolution is scanning Dukara this is 1000 of ports. The completed X scan you can see here. This is for X scanning, right? The X scan as this is 1000 of ports, and Dukara host is up, all ports are unfiltered. This is because we have closed the firewall on the particular system to show you, and this is the read data from the file for the use and bin, right? It simply means we don't know port is open or port is closed, right? But it's unfiltered. You can say the port is unreachable. What is the meaning of unfiltered is the port is unreachable. We don't know the port is open or closed, but some packet filter is not working on it. So as we have closed the firewall, the next we are going to use, right, last one is for you is we have nmap hyphen SU, the scanning, U for UDP, space hyphen T5, right, this is send, time scan set, T3 for normal, T4 for aggressive, T5 for instant scan, and then IP address we are going to give 192.168.1.2, pressing enter, starting nmap. So here we go, the host is up and not shown is showing the detail as we are using the UDP scan showing open filtered state, right. 137 UDP is open only and 999 is not showing because of open filtered state. Only 137 UDP open is the service is going for the net BIOS. So this is all about, we have done the TCP scan, we have done XMAX scan, we have used the UDP scan, right, then we have used aggressive scan, we have used time, we have used for instant time also, aggressive timing we have given. One more I can show you is for idle scan, right, the last one, as we have discussed the 5 things I have told you before lab. The last one is, so you're going to use nmap space n space, we are giving the port 80 here to scan. You can give any port, right, then space hyphen S for scanning, then I for idle scan, and then we can give the IP, to target's not specified. Check it with no range as done with okay, let's check with only prevent ping from their true IP. On the other hand, timing info gains from the ping can allow for faster, more reliable scan, showing the P and W. Can give range of 2 IP for results. Oh, sorry, it's not for zombies. Just a second. Okay, 1.3. Here we go. Now you can see we have given the range of 2 IP, 1.2 to 1.3. The idle scan on the port 80. Idle scan should be with the range as idle scan using the zombies of 1.22 as 1.3. The static this is idle zombie scan is 1.1.2. Ports 80 cannot be used because it has been returned any of props. So perhaps it is down or it is forward. So simply it is quitting because the firewall is on and the port 80 is not going to check because not providing is not giving you the props. Perhaps it is down or the filtered, or you can say the firewall, right? So this is all about, we have used the 4 file tab scanning different on Kali Linux by using Nmap. So we have done TCP SYNSCAN, then XMS, UDP we had done, IDL we had done, right? So this is all about your lab exploring various network scanning techniques. Lab 19th we have finished, right? Thank you.